Imagine an autonomous mobile robot, ideal for use in clean room. A robot designed for low particle emissions compliant with ISO Class 3, featuring special seals for minimized outgassing and certified ESD conductivity. A robot adapting its power, handling sensitive components with maximum care, 100% safe from harmful particles or overvoltage. Optimize your processes even in high-demand areas like microelectronics. Feel the flow of a fast and sensitive navigation. 3D scanners and cameras guarantee collision-free movement. Joint torque sensors enable direct collaboration without a safety fence. Reach a new level of productivity, safe and easy. Feel the flow of automation. KMR Easy Clean Room by KUKA.
Making automation easier.